Hi there, welcome to the sale of this Toyota Hilux. This is an active double cabin 2.4 turbo diesel. It's a late 2017 model, so it's Euro 6 city centre compliant. It has a 150 brake horsepower engine. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox, air conditioning, ABS brakes, remote locking. Really good all round, the most robust utility vehicle money can buy, I should think. So I'll take you around and show you this one. So it's sat on Avon tyres, got plenty of tread on there, and the rear very good. Got a fitted tow bar on this truck, fitted body liner in the back of here. Avon here again, so Avon all the way around, all good tyres. So I probably would have a hardtop canopy, colour-coded, solid-sided truckman that could go with this truck if that helped someone if they wanted a hardtop. So inside, airbags in the driver's seat, selectable engine map on this truck, so you have a regular map and then you can make the power a little bit more aggressive or a little mellower, make the MPG a little bit better, possibly better maybe on the PWR if you're going to be towing a big old trailer or something like that. 6-speed manual gearbox, traction control diff lock down there. There's your selectable forward drive here, auxiliary plugins on the stereo. It's a Bluetooth on the stereo, answer on the steering wheel. Nice big roomy cabin actually for a double cabin pickup, and has some retro looks there as well. The dash like the Hiluxes of back in the day. Little drink holders out front here as well. 4-door electric windows, electric mirrors. In the back, Isofix seating, nice and roomy in the back as well. So this Hilux is available here at Cross Country 4x4. We're in Market Lavington Village near Devizes in Wiltshire. You're more than welcome to come and view this truck, go out and test drive this truck. We'll consider a part exchange on this truck. We can give quotes for finance, options up to 5 years, with deposits tried to suit you, and we can arrange for delivery to your property as well. We need your postcode to work out a price for that. Much better to come and view these trucks here, come and test drive them, touch them, smell them, see what they're all about. And lots of people like things delivered these days, but it's always better to come out and see them, I think. We'll service this and it will have a fresh MOT if it's not already got a long MOT. Thank you very much for looking. Please do give us a ring on 01380 818 311.